Hi guys, my name is Pim and I'm a third year ICT student, and I will tell you some things about ICT, how you get graded, how you work in groups, how you collaborate together. So first I will guide you through the first 3 years about. First you will go look into some computer science. You will learn the bits and bytes of computers, how computers work, why they work, that kinds of stuff. Then second you will be going to a local school and you will be making a learning program for them. So that's really fun. You're going to interview those kids, you get some feedback from them, and then you're going to improve your own application. And then you are going to work for modern software development. This means that you're going to work in a group of 4, 5, 6 people. You're going to learn how to code together, how to merge code together. And that's really, really important for when you work in groups. But also you will go do daily stand-up. So you go stand up, you're going to say what you're going to do for that day. And if you have any problems during that day or your previous day, so you don't get stuck on your current task. For example, I have a project here, that's the first project with all the water, because we live in an area with lots of water. There are also many vital assets in this area. And for example, here you can see that at a specific location when the dike breaks, then you will see all those red dots. Those will go down, and also those are important points. For example, the highway is there. That's one of the few escapes out of this area actually. So that's one project of mine, presenting it in front of several stakeholders for an actual business for Deltaris, and that was really interesting, and I got to learn a lot of stuff, but also how to talk with people from them and different stakeholders. Then we'll be looking into actual creating business value in your second year, so you'll be validating your own business ID, and if you have validated that ID, you will go build your own company. For example, what I did is create your own grocery app. But also if you look at, here is for example a project of mine where we created some business value for Your Surprise. Your Surprise is also an actual business. So they had a problem of people didn't really know what they are going to buy in their shop, because it's a personalized gift shop. You can go buy personalized mugs, for example. And how we solve that problem is by making an AR view, so you're actually, it's not there, but you see it on your phone. So that way we could solve that problem. And after this you have a period of data science. Data science is really creating a value out of lots of data. So what we did is, for example, for another real business is Rijkswaterstaat. They are, it's very important for infrastructure, that company. So what we did, they had lots of data about documents, PDFs, Word documents, and they had to classify if one of these documents is actually classified, because there are certain things like WOP-verzoeken, it's kind of in Dutch, but that way we were able to solve their problem for them. So then, and also this year you can choose between 2 tracks, between a software engineering track. So you'll be creating, just like I showed you, the 2 projects, the mug and the area with lots of water. So you'll be building that kind of stuff, but also data science, where you'll be creating very important data from lots of data. So I hope that I have informed you a lot about ICT. You will be working in groups of 4, 5, 6 people, all your products, and that's how you get graded, by creating those projects. You're not going to write paper code as assignment, just those projects. And that's also why I chose the HChat, because it's so practical. People say when you go to your internship, it's almost the same as when you are in your classes working together.